Welcome to my WordPress tutorials, and in this lesson today we're going to have a look at adding a PayPal button. So we're going to add just a standard PayPal button to your WordPress site. So first of all, log in to your PayPal account, go to Tools and All Tools here at the bottom. That will take you to this page, so scroll down until you find PayPal buttons, click on that. Now I've already got some buttons saved here, so your page will probably look a bit different, but we want to go to Create New Button. So click on Create New Button, and you'll see you have a choice of different types of button, and you can test these out, but for now we're just going to do the standard Buy Now button. So that's just for buying one product or service from your website. So we'll give the item a name. So just choose something that explains what people are buying, and you can give it an ID. I've just called it the same thing. Then put in the price. You can change the currencies. I'm going to put it in British pounds. And this is the button that we're going to create. This is what your visitors to your website will see. Now you can do a few different things. You can add a drop-down menu if you want to have different prices. So this is an example. So say you're selling t-shirts or any item of clothing and there are different sizes. That's when you might choose to use that. So you can choose to use your secure merchant ID or just your email. I'm just going to use my email for now. So click Create Button. That will take you to this page where you have the code. So again, this is what your clients and potential customers will see. So you just select the code and copy. And I'm just going to paste that to a Word document for now and save it. Obviously, if your page is ready, you can go straight there. Okay. Now, if you want to send out the link through email, this is the code, so we'll copy that as well. And this is also the code that you'll use if you're using a special button or a page builder on your site, and I'm going to make a separate video about that later. So let's go into your WordPress site and we're going to add a new page. Now I've actually gone back and made another button, so I've made a button for 197 for this particular one, which I'm using in the example. So I'm going to call the page Kickstart Your Business. And then I'm going to paste in my text. So this is just brief text as an example. So I'm going to center my heading here, and you can add all sorts of information and images and so on, but this is just an example. So we've got the price here, we'll stick that in the middle. And what I want to do now is add my PayPal button just below this. What I need to do is go back and copy my text here. So this is the code for the button, and I'm going to copy that. Now at the top here you'll see visual text and so on. You want to click on text. Profit Builder is that's a plugin that I'm using, so you won't see that on your site unless you've bought the plugin. So you want to click on text because this is where you put in code. So we're going to go to the bottom of the page and we're just going to paste in the code. Now, I did have a slight problem with this. When I looked at it, I couldn't get it to center on the page. So if you have that problem, it's quite easy to fix it with a little bit of code. So you can see I've typed in the word center with brackets around it. Make sure you spell it in the American way. And then at the end, I've typed in the ending code. So it's got slash and then center. And there we have it. This is what our page looks like. And of course you can go in and edit the page, move it a bit closer to the price and so on. But we want to test it. So we click on the button and then see what happens. And you can see it takes you to PayPal and it asks you to sign in. So that's how easy it is to set up a standard PayPal button. And in the next video, we'll look at using a page builder and your own custom-made button.